If you want to connect your Google Pixel 11 to PC and transfer data, the best way to do so is by using a USB cable. So if you have a USB cable that fits both your phone and your computer, then you should be able to connect your phone to your computer just like that. And at first you will just start charging the phone. So what you need to do is you need to go to notifications and find the notification from Android system. You might need to tap on this arrow over here to reveal additional options. And you can find charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification to open USB preferences. And here you want to choose File Transfer / Android Auto and verify yourself with the fingerprint or the screen lock password. And then you should be able to open your PC. You can of course go to your Pixel 11, open the storage, and here you can find pretty much every folder and every file that you have on your phone. So let's say if I go to this DCIM folder, I can find the camera and I can find all pictures and videos that I took and made with my phone. I can also find the screenshots folder. I can also go to, let's say, downloads, and I can easily transfer anything that I want to from the phone to the computer or from the computer to the phone. And I want to give you a little tip on how to find the location of the file that you want to, for example, transfer from your phone to the computer. So the best way to check the location is by going to the Files app, and let's say if I am not sure where I have my pictures, let's say I'm gonna go to this screenshots section over here. I can open the picture, I can use these three dots now in the upper right corner, and then I can open file info, and then in here we can find the location of the file. Of course, you want to skip the storage emulated and 0 and start from there most likely. So in my case, it is here in Pictures folder, in Screenshots, and I should be able to find it over there. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.